get you. You're frozen. Wherever you are, you can't go nowhere.
The shit is too tight, the beats know the handcuffs. Tackled and restrained cause I landed a punch. Me and King Keith trapped in the back of the cop car right now. I guess they didn't want us having a cipher in front of the White House. Officers, they try to break it up so they get stuff. All for the love of hip-hop, we getting tased and cuffed. Sweaty palms, sweaty wrists, these shits is rusty, bro. Take me to the dock for shots of tetanus. All night in a freezing cage, can't get enough sleep. We all shackled 12 deep with handcuffs on our feet. The next morning, walking on the way to court, kid. They could all see the red markings on my arms. It's the handcuffs, clickety-clack. Oh damn, what's gonna happen? Trying to hulk out, but these shits ain't snapping. Looks like tonight my white privilege ain't happening. It's the tight cuffs, Vesica Pisces that I'm trapped in. I'm in handcuffs. Bad,
yo, my hands sweating, bro. Yo, we good.
I'm in handcuffs.
Yo, we gonna get out of here. They ain't got nothing on us. We keeping it classy, right? Yo, my phone died, bro. Your phone Yo, alright. Yo, when we get to the station or whatever, we gonna make a couple of calls, man. Yo, we gonna be out of here easy. Hey yo, the cuffs too tight, sir. Overseer, excuse me, officer. Screaming out, black cop, black cop. All I can think of is KRS One song that dropped. This ain't the year 2000. They don't know I'm AK Barrel from up north, 10th Mountain Division. King Keith, the boss from Strong Island, the fat tiny man. The liquor, you use a leather jacket to brace the Constantine wire. Black cop, you a liar. You move on like a rookie. From the tightness of my cups, with the blood clot. Excuse me, my brother, can you tell that ninja to loosen up my wrist? What the? I said, I'm a little deaf in one ear, that's why I speak up. I plead guilty with explanations. I'm loud, I'm deaf. I ate food around a pregnant lady, Your Honor. Bad luck, bad luck. The cuffs. Yo, my hands sweating, bro. Yo, we good.
I'm in handcuffs.
Yo, we gonna get out of here. They ain't got nothing on us. We keeping it classy, right? Yo, my phone died, bro. Your phone Yo, alright. Yo, when we get to the station or whatever, we gonna make a couple of calls, man. Yo, we gonna be out of here easy.